Here are Grandpa's 34 plumbing hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. Pour boiling water plus salt for grease clogs. One of the simplest ways to tackle grease clogs in your kitchen drain, according to Grandpa, is using boiling water and salt. Grease tends to solidify in pipes, but hot water can help break it down. Start by pouring about half a cup of salt down the drain, followed by a pot of boiling water. The salt acts as an abrasive, while the hot water helps dissolve the grease, allowing it to flow out of the pipes. This method is an easy, chemical-free solution for clearing minor grease clogs. Use a plunger plus cloth combo for better suction. For better suction when using a plunger, try combining it with a damp cloth. Plunging can sometimes lose effectiveness if there's air escaping from the drain. To fix this, cover any overflow holes, like in sinks, with a wet cloth to block airflow. This creates a tighter seal, allowing the plunger to create more pressure. With better suction, the plunger becomes more effective in dislodging stubborn clogs. This simple trick can save you time and effort, making plunging much more efficient. Bend a wire coat hanger as a mini drain snake. Did you know that a simple wire coat hanger can work as a mini drain snake? If you don't have a drain snake handy, you can easily bend a wire coat hanger into a hook to fish out hair, debris, or small blockages from your drains. Straighten the hanger, leaving a small hook on one end, then carefully insert it into the drain. This homemade tool is especially useful for bathroom sink or shower clogs caused by hair buildup. Mix baking soda, salt, and hot water for stubborn clogs. A great homemade solution for clearing stubborn clogs involves mixing baking soda, salt, and hot water. Baking soda helps break down the gunk, while salt acts as an abrasive to scrub the inside of your pipes. To use, pour half a cup each of baking soda and salt down the drain, followed by a pot of hot water. Let it sit for at least an hour or overnight. Then flush with more hot water. This combination effectively tackles tough clogs without harsh chemicals. Pour dish soap in the toilet to loosen clogs. If your toilet is clogged, Grandpa said that pouring dish soap into the bowl can help loosen the blockage. The slippery soap reduces friction and helps break down greasy or sticky clogs, allowing water to flow more freely. To try this, squirt a generous amount of dish soap into the toilet and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, follow with a bucket of hot water from waist height. The combination of dish soap and hot water can clear many minor toilet clogs effectively. Apply petroleum jelly to lubricate faucet handles. Is your faucet handle getting stiff or hard to turn? A simple fix is applying petroleum jelly to lubricate the handle and its internal parts. Over time, mineral buildup and wear can cause handles to stick. To fix this, remove the faucet handle, usually by unscrewing the cap. Apply a small amount of petroleum jelly to the internal mechanism and reassemble. The lubrication makes the handle turn smoothly again, prolonging the life of your faucet and preventing future stiffness. Rub bar soap to temporarily seal pipe leaks. If you have a small pipe leak and need a quick, temporary fix, a bar of soap can save the day. Simply rub the soap over the leaking area, and it will create a temporary seal by filling in the cracks or gaps in the pipe. This hack works best on small leaks and can hold long enough until you can get a permanent solution in place. It's a handy trick for emergencies when plumbers or supplies aren't immediately available. Cut a zip tie with notches to fish out hair from drains. For a quick and easy way to remove hair clogs from drains, cut notches into a zip tie and use it as a makeshift drain cleaner. Heat vinegar for dissolving mineral buildup. Heating vinegar is a powerful way to dissolve stubborn mineral buildup in faucets, shower heads, or pipes. Minerals like calcium and lime can accumulate over time, restricting water flow and causing inefficiencies. To use this method, heat white vinegar until warm, but not boiling. Then soak a cloth or place the fixture in the warm vinegar for about 20 minutes. The acidity of the vinegar breaks down the buildup, restoring proper water flow without harsh chemicals. Apply olive oil to prevent faucet corrosion. Olive oil isn't just for cooking, it's also great for preventing faucet corrosion. Faucets, especially in humid environments, can corrode over time due to moisture exposure. Applying a thin layer of olive oil to the surface of your faucet helps create a protective barrier against water and air, slowing down rust formation. Simply dab a small amount of olive oil onto a soft cloth and rub it over the faucet. This natural method keeps your fixtures looking shiny and rust-free. Use a tennis ball as a plunger alternative. No plunger? No problem. A tennis ball can serve as a quick alternative tool for minor clogs. By cutting a slit into the ball and pressing it over the drain, the ball can create enough suction to help dislodge the blockage. Just like a plunger, push and pull the ball to generate the necessary pressure. This hack works best for small clogs in sinks or bathtubs and is a handy solution when you don't have a traditional plunger around. Drop ice cubes in the garbage disposal to sharpen blades. A simple way to maintain your garbage disposal's blades is by using ice cubes. Tossing a few ice cubes into the disposal and running it helps sharpen the blades while cleaning out stuck debris. The hardness of the ice works as a mild abrasive, scraping off food particles and helping the blades regain sharpness. You can even add some rock salt for extra cleaning power. It's an easy, effective maintenance trick to keep your garbage disposal running smoothly. Tie a string under a dripping faucet to stop drip noise. That constant drip sound can be annoying, but there's a simple fix using string. Tie a piece of string tightly around the end of the faucet, making sure the other end hangs into the sink or basin. The water will now run down the string instead of dripping noisily. This hack by Grandpa is a great short-term solution to stop the drip noise until the leak can be properly fixed. It's an easy and quiet way to deal with a leaky faucet. Place pantyhose over drains to catch debris. Pantyhose aren't just for fashion. They're great for catching debris in your drains. By placing a piece of pantyhose over your drain and securing it with a rubber band, you can trap hair, food particles, and other debris before they clog your pipes. This is especially useful in showers or kitchen sinks where small items often slip through. Once the pantyhose collect enough debris, simply toss it out and replace with a fresh piece. It's an easy, reusable solution to keep your drains clean. Wrap a rubber band to hold a loose faucet handle. A loose faucet handle can be annoying, but a rubber band offers a quick fix. Wrapping a rubber band around the base of the handle can provide enough grip to hold it in place temporarily until you can fix or replace the handle properly. Just loop the band several times around the loose part to create tension. This hack works well as a short-term solution, preventing further damage and keeping the handle functional for everyday use. Scrub with a toothbrush to clean faucet aerators. Faucet aerators can get clogged with mineral deposits affecting water flow. A toothbrush is the perfect tool for cleaning these hard-to-reach areas. Unscrew the aerator from the faucet, soak it in a solution of vinegar and water, then use a toothbrush to scrub off any buildup. The bristles help dislodge stubborn grime and restore proper water pressure. This simple trick helps maintain your faucet's performance, ensuring that it stays clean and functions smoothly without the need for special tools. Wrap plumber's tape to seal leaky shower heads. If your shower head is leaking, a quick and effective fix, according to Grandpa, is wrapping plumber's tape around the threads. Plumber's tape, also known as Teflon tape, helps create a watertight seal and prevent leaks. To use, unscrew the shower head, wrap the tape clockwise around the threads of the pipe several times, and then screw the shower head back on. The tape fills in any gaps that could be causing the leak, providing a secure seal and keeping your shower head drip-free. Pour hot water and lemon to clear drain odors. Are you struggling with smelly drains? A combination of hot water and lemon can naturally eliminate unpleasant drain odors. Boil a pot of water and squeeze the juice of a fresh lemon into it. Pour the mixture down the drain to dissolve grease and flush out any buildup causing the smell. The acidity of the lemon acts as a natural deodorizer, while the hot water clears away grime. This eco-friendly solution leaves your drains smelling fresh and citrusy without the use of harsh chemicals. Drop Alka-Seltzer tablets in drains for a fizzy clean. Did you know that Alka-Seltzer tablets can do more than relieve stomach aches? Dropping a few tablets down your drain can give it a fizzy, refreshing clean. The tablet's effervescence helps break down gunk and loosen debris stuck in pipes. To use, drop 2 to 3 Alka-Seltzer tablets into the drain, followed by a cup of vinegar. Let the mixture fizz for about 10 minutes, then flush with hot water. This fizzy solution helps clean your drain and deodorizes it at the same time. Place newspaper to absorb leaks under pipes. A leaking pipe can create a mess, but placing newspaper underneath is a quick, temporary solution to contain the water. Newspaper is highly absorbent and can help soak up small leaks until the problem is fixed. Simply spread a few sheets of newspaper under the leaky area to catch the drips. It's an inexpensive and effective way to manage leaks, especially in tight spaces where a bucket might not fit. This hack buys you time while waiting for a more permanent repair. Use a wet towel to wrap leaky pipes. If you have a leaky pipe and need a quick fix, wrapping it with a wet towel can help contain the leak temporarily. The moisture in the towel helps seal minor cracks or holes and slows the leak until you can make a permanent repair. Simply soak a towel in water, wring it out, and tightly wrap it around the leaky area. This hack is ideal for small leaks, giving you time to call a plumber or gather supplies for a more durable solution. Use coffee grounds to deodorize drains. Did you know that used coffee grounds can help deodorize your drains? Coffee grounds are naturally absorbent and have a strong scent, making them great for neutralizing unpleasant drain odors. To use, take a small amount of used coffee grounds and flush them down the drain with hot water. The grounds will scrub the inside of the pipe as they pass through, eliminating lingering odors. Just be cautious not to overuse them, as large amounts of grounds could lead to clogs over time. Soak clogged shower heads in vinegar to clean them. Mineral buildup in shower heads can reduce water pressure, but soaking the shower head in vinegar is an easy fix. The acidity in vinegar breaks down calcium and lime deposits that accumulate over time. Simply unscrew the shower head and submerge it in a bowl of white vinegar for a few hours. If removing the shower head isn't possible, fill a plastic bag with vinegar and secure it around the head with a rubber band. After soaking, rinse it off, and your water flow should be restored. Apply baking soda paste to polish copper pipes. Baking soda is a simple yet effective solution for polishing tarnished copper pipes. Its gentle abrasive properties help remove oxidation, restoring the pipe's natural shine. To make a paste, mix equal parts baking soda and water, then apply it to the copper pipe using a cloth or sponge. Gently scrub the surface, and once the tarnish is lifted, rinse the pipe with water and buff it dry with a clean cloth. This method keeps copper pipes looking new and rust-free. Wrap an ice pack to temporarily stop pipe leaks. When a pipe starts leaking and you need an immediate solution, wrapping an ice pack around the leaky area can temporarily slow or stop the flow of water. The cold from the ice causes the metal or plastic pipe to contract slightly, reducing the size of the leak. Wrap the ice pack securely around the leak, holding it in place until you can shut off the water or arrange for repairs. This trick buys you some time to prevent further damage. Spray WD-40 to loosen rusty pipe fittings. Are you struggling with rusty pipe fittings? WD-40 is a quick and effective solution for loosening rusted or stuck connections that is often used by Grandpa. The lubricant penetrates rust, breaking down corrosion and allowing you to easily unscrew the pipe fittings. Simply spray a generous amount of WD-40 onto the rusty areas, wait for 5 to 10 minutes, then use a wrench to loosen the fitting. This hack saves time and effort when dealing with stubborn, rusted pipes, making repairs or replacements much easier. Drop food coloring in the toilet tank to detect leaks. If you suspect your toilet is leaking, a simple way to check is by using food coloring. Toilets often have silent leaks, wasting water and increasing your bill. To test for leaks, add a few drops of food coloring into the toilet tank and wait 10 to 15 minutes. If the color appears in the toilet bowl without flushing, you have a leak in the flapper or valve. This easy trick helps you detect hidden leaks and take action before they get worse. Wrap Teflon tape to silence noisy pipes. Are noisy pipes driving you crazy? Wrapping Teflon tape around the threads of pipe fittings can help silence those annoying sounds. The tape acts as a cushion between metal connections, reducing vibrations and preventing rattling or banging noises when water flows through the pipes. Simply unscrew the fittings, apply Teflon tape around the threads, and reassemble. This hack is a quick fix for noisy plumbing, providing a quieter and more peaceful home environment without the need for major repairs. Place dryer sheets to deodorize under sink areas. The area under your sink can sometimes develop unpleasant odors due to dampness or hidden leaks. Placing a few dryer sheets under the sink is a simple way to deodorize the space. The fresh scent of the sheets helps mask odors, while their absorbent properties reduce moisture. Just tuck a few dryer sheets into corners or around plumbing to keep your undersink area smelling clean and fresh. Replace the sheets every few weeks to maintain the effect and prevent any buildup of musty smells. Use plumber's putty for sealing small pipe cracks. Plumber's putty is a versatile solution for sealing small cracks or leaks in pipes. This malleable compound creates a watertight seal that can prevent further damage while you plan for a permanent fix. To use, apply a generous amount of plumber's putty around the cracked area and press it firmly into place. Smooth the surface for an even seal, then allow it to set. While not a permanent fix, this easy method works well for minor pipe leaks until professional repairs can be made. Use bread to stop minor water flow while repairing pipes. Did you know that bread can help stop minor water flow during pipe repairs? When cutting into a pipe to make repairs or install fittings, water can trickle through and make the job messy. By stuffing a small piece of bread into the pipe, you can temporarily block the water. The bread will dissolve and flush out once the water is turned back on, allowing you to complete your work without the mess. It's a simple but effective solution for minor water flow issues. Razor blade to clean off mineral deposits around faucets. Mineral deposits around faucets can be stubborn, but a razor blade can help remove them with ease. Over time, hard water leaves behind calcium and lime buildup, which can affect your faucet's appearance and functionality. Gently scrape away the deposits with a razor blade at a shallow angle to avoid scratching the surface. This method is especially useful around the base of the faucet or in tight spots where mineral buildup tends to accumulate. A clean faucet means better water flow and a more polished look. Use a bicycle inner tube to patch small pipe leaks. A bicycle inner tube is a handy makeshift patch for small pipe leaks. If you have a minor leak and need a quick temporary fix, cut a piece of an old inner tube and wrap it tightly around the leaky area. Secure it in place with hose clamps or zip ties to create a watertight seal. This DIY patch can hold until you can make a permanent repair or call a plumber. It's an easy, resourceful solution using materials you might already have on hand. Rub soap on pipe threads before screwing them together. Rubbing soap on pipe threads before screwing them together can make the job smoother and prevent leaks. Soap acts as a lubricant, making it easier to screw pipes together tightly without cross-threading or damaging the threads. This simple trick also helps create a better seal, reducing the chances of leaks once the water is turned back on. Just rub a bar of soap along the threads before assembly for an effortless and secure fit. It's a quick, easy way to improve your plumbing connections. For more contents like this, click here to subscribe.